Hello, on this video I'm going to show you how to make these button and ribbon necklaces. The button and ribbons come in vast colours that will match in with all your outfits. These ribbon and button necklaces are so easy to make, and we've got so many different colours of buttons and ribbons. You can really have fun putting collections together. You need a length of sheer ribbon. This is a polka dot ribbon, but as long as you can actually thread the ribbon into the needle and it will pass through the button, you can basically use any ribbon you want. Cut the ribbon at an angle, and I'm just using an ordinary needle, an embroidery needle, and it should go through, because of the nice point, with ease. It scrunches up slightly, but don't worry about it, you can cut that off at the end. You don't need it very far onto the ribbon at all. Now lay your buttons down as per the design you're going to make. You'll find it easier to pick them up then. You need 5 buttons for the back. I've gone for the dotties. You then need 4 larger buttons, and I like to alternate my colours. And once again, dotties on top. And these last 2 I use to anchor the ribbons onto the buttons onto the ribbon so that they don't come off. So I match them up with my back ones. So about 1 metre of ribbon. Pick up your first button, which will be the back large one, and take the needle all the way through. This is the bit that you use to tie around your neck, so you don't go all the way to the end. Give yourself a long enough length to be able to tie around your neck. Pick up a small button and go up and push it onto the big one and back down again. So all you're doing is just sewing through the button. Now this stitch and the stitch at the end is the only time you go back down through the hole you've already come up. Clear the ribbon out of the way so that you go down straight through a clear hole. You do not want to go down through your ribbon. And that's it. Pull it tight. Come back up the big hole. Manoeuvre the little one out of the way just so that you can get your needle up. Now the next set are these 2. So pick them both up together, up through the big one, up through the little one. Sit it on top of the button already. Manoeuvre the black one over the top, and you can pull it from the other side to secure it. Down through the little one, down through the big one. And now next one is your big one. You're still going down at this stage. And then back up. So these are your next 2. Put them on top of each other. Up, up. Positioning them on. Hold them in place with your thumb. And back down. They will move about slightly. Don't worry about it. Keep tugging on your ribbon. It's quite strong. Next one, your bottom one, still going down. Positioning it, holding it in place, coming up. Next 2. Up. Down. Check that you're happy with it. Down. Across. Back down. Now you're almost there. Continue going back down with your black one. up. Now before you put your final buckle on, just check that it's all fine, all fitting nicely, and then go up and across. Now, like we did with the start one, we're actually going back down through one of the holes we've already been through. So you can just see it. Just poke your needle down through, making sure it goes through a clean hole so you don't catch any of the ribbons. And pull it through. Make it nice and tight. And then trim off the end so it's roughly the same as the other side. And that's your button necklace.